we're just going to be multiplying monomials times polynomials. And remember the exponent rule, where if you multiply them, you just add them. So multiply your coefficients and add your exponents, and make sure you hit every term with this monomial, and you're going to be finished. So we're doing 3ab cubed c times 2a. We're just going to multiply our 3 and our 2, and we get 6. A to the 1 times a to the 1 is a squared. B third, c, because there's simply nothing else to multiply by those. Minus 3 times 1, invisible 1, we get 3. There's no a over here, so we just get a. B to the third times b to the fourth is b to the 7. C to the 1 times c to the squared is c to the third, plus 3, and the 3 is 9. A1 times a to the 1 is a squared. B to the third, c squared. Can we combine these? No, because they're not like terms, so we're done with that one. So we're going to move on to the next one. And here's an easier one. We're going to do the same process. We're just going to hit all these terms. Actually, why don't you try this on your own? Pause the movie right now. Okay, so here we go. We're going to get 4x cubed plus 8x squared. And that's